In this video, I will show you how to activate bank account in crypto.com. So first just open up your crypto.com app and then you will see this similar screen. From here you have to click on this transfer option and after that you have to select this deposit option. Now on this screen you have to select fiat and after that you just have to select your currency and then you just have to click on this link bank account because we have to first link our bank account. Then just simply click on this link bank account option again and then it will open up this screen where you can see that it's going to connect your bank account with your plaid. So just click on this continue and after that select the bank account from this list and then simply click on this continue button and then it will redirect you to your banking website where you have to enter your username password and then click on this sign on option. And once you do that your bank account will be linked and activated automatically if you use the plaid option. So I hope this video was helpful. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel.